How to create a sidebar for showing info in Premiere Pro. Create a new color matte with default settings and set its color. Now drag the color matte above your video and adjust its duration. In the Effects panel, search for Crop and apply it to the color matte. With the color matte selected, open up Effect Controls panel. Increase right value until you're happy with the size of the sidebar. Search for Transform and add it to the color matte as well. Move the playhead to the start, click on the stopwatch next to Position, and decrease Position First value until the sidebar is out of the screen to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and increase Position First value until the sidebar is visible on the screen to create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to the position you want to start hiding the sidebar, and click on the circle to create a keyframe with current value. Move the playhead a little forward and decrease Position First value until the sidebar is out of the screen to create the last keyframe. Now we have this animation, but it's not smooth. To smoothen it, select the first two keyframes, right-click on one of them, and select Temporal Interpolation, Ease In. Add Ease Out to them as well. Add Ease In and Ease Out to the second two keyframes as well. Now the animation is much smoother, but let's add some motion blur to it as well. Uncheck the Use Composition's Shutter Angle checkbox and set Shutter Angle to 180. Now the sidebar is created and we can use the Type tool to add some text into it. With the Selection tool, adjust the size and position of the text. To apply the slide animation to the text, select the color matte, then select the transform effect and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now select the text and press Ctrl+V to paste the effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.